So here we are in the living room at 25 Quay Court in Sacramento, getting ready for our open house. And as you can see, the living room has really kind of come together pretty well. I'm really, really pleased with how it's turned out. So you can see our dog Misty is having a fun time, kind of camped out on the sofa here. Say hi, Misty. There she is. Yeah. Our favorite dog. At any rate, we did hang that mirror above the sofa, as I mentioned before, so that I wanted to add that just to bring in additional light, not only from the patio but also from the side windows. And we got this really kind of cool three-pronged lighting fixture for over in the corner, just to add a little interest to the whole setting. We have the two big chairs and chose this color, kind of a turquoise color, to make this whole thing pop. And in between the sofa and the chairs, we have this bench, which is really kind of a cool thing because it's really multi-purpose in the fact that it actually opens up to become a storage area. So not only is it a storage area, but of course it serves as kind of a coffee table and place to set your, put your feet up on, and just basically a nice little centerpiece there. So we chose two very nice paintings to put above the fireplace. We love the simplicity of the paintings, and plus it matched the colors of the tile around the fireplace. And I also found some really great reeds to kind of go with that kind of natural feeling that we've created here in this living room here. Got a really cool vase that's kind of gnarly, lots of texture, and so some really great points of interest. So that's how our living room has kind of pulled together. And our open house is just going to be in a few days. There may be a few more changes, but I think it's pretty much there.